In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a blog from scratch, whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your blogging game. Let's dive right in. First, what's a blog? It's simply a website where you share your thoughts, ideas, or expertise on specific topics. It can be about anything: travel, tech, food, personal experiences, you name it. The first step is to create a platform where you publish your blogs. You can either build your own website or create a blog page using platforms like WordPress, Bloggers, or Wix. Choose what works best for you based on your skills and needs. Next, pick a domain name that reflects your blog's identity. It should be easy to remember, and it's a good idea to keep it short and unique. You can register your domain through sites like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Now, it's time to design your blog. You don't need to be a web designer to make it look great. Use pre-built themes from your chosen platforms or customize your layout using tools like Elementor for WordPress. But if you are a designer or you hire a designer, you can create your own custom blog design for a unique and personalized look. Focus on clean, easy navigation and make sure your design is mobile-friendly. Once your blog is set up, it's time to start writing. Choose topics that you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Remember, to write for your audience, keep it engaging, informative, and clear. And don't forget to add images, videos, or infographics to break up text and make your post more interactive. Finally, hit that publish button. Don't stop there. Promote your blogs on social media, engage with your readers, and use SEO techniques to help your blog rank on Google. That's it. You now have the basic of starting your own blog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.